Alright, what's going on, everybody? Here's my 2007 International. As you guys saw before, I'm selling my white one. I'm selling my green one too. As before, like I said, we're selling these trucks due to the fact that our fleet is getting... The trucks themselves are too small. We need much bigger trucks. This truck is in perfect condition. Absolutely not a single thing wrong with this truck. This is actually the boss man's truck. So none of the employees, no one ever got to drive this truck except for the boss man himself. The plow is not even 9 months old. It's still under warranty. This plow costs a little over $11,000 installed on the truck. Other than that, this truck is in great shape. We take really good care of our trucks. Again, we're selling it due to the fact that these trucks are too small. This has got a 7-yard Snow Dog salt box on it with a wet system attached. Everything is fully functional. Everything's in great shape. All the valves, everything works. To show you guys, everything works perfect. Everything functions nicely. As you can see, you can open and close the valves real nicely. I'll show you guys the pump box. Everything's in great shape. I mean, we take really good care of our trucks. This truck had a lot of salt run through it, and this thing was our best truck that we had besides the white one. Here's the back. Everything's fully functional. The salt spreader, everything works. This truck, unlike the white truck, is all electronic. There's no hydraulics, nothing to worry about braking. Anybody can fix the electronics on this truck. Everything is in great shape. Like I said, again, we take care of our trucks. They go to shit, they go to the scrapyard. Show you guys the mileage. The ABS light is on right now because we have a defective sensor, so we're going to get that fixed before the truck sells. I'll show you guys there's no misses. This truck also has we have hooked up the PTO, or the idle, to the cruise control, so you can turn the cruise on. Everything works in this truck. It's fully functional. This truck includes a laptop stand that we just put in. It's brand new. Here's all the controls for the salt sprinter and the liquid spray. I can't turn the liquid spray on because the system is dry right now, and it is very bad to run these systems dry. So what I could show you is I could show you the salt spreader is working. Everything works. This truck has been totally gone through. We just did the brakes on this one last year. We did all the wheel bearings and hubs and everything a year or two ago. The wheels, the tires we just did last year, spring of last year, so they got a little bit of miles on them. But other than that, this whole truck is fully functional. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this truck. Like I said, this was the boss man's truck, so he took really good care of it for the very few times he actually drove it. I'll show you guys the plow. Other than that, this truck is in great shape. Let me show you guys the drive. everything works on this truck. This truck right here, we're asking $42,000 our best offer. Feel free to give us a call, message us, let us know what you think. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call. I'll show you guys the frame real quick. Like I said, all of our trucks are very well taken care of. We don't play any games. When you do a few $100 million in snow, you can't have crap on a site. So your trucks better be fully functional. These trucks are total turnkeys. They are ready to go. Pop the key in the ignition, insure it, register it, and you got yourself a $250,000 salt maker right here. Like I said, this truck we're asking $42,000 our best offer. Feel free to give us a call, message us, whatever. Any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a holler. We have no problems answering any questions, and if you want to come out and take a look at them, give us a holler, and we're glad to show you the truck. We are selling them as a package deal or individually. Here you guys go. Give us a holler, message us, whatever you guys need in order to inquire any more about these trucks.